Alright, in this video we're going to look at simplifying expressions that involve complex numbers and getting them into this a plus bi form. Alright, so the first thing to understand is that there is a number, the square root of -1, and that is defined as I. So that came about from solving something that is supposedly as simple as just x squared plus 1 equals 0. Well, if we go to solve that, we're trying to figure out what number times itself is equal to -1, and there's no real solution. Because if we take something times itself, so for example, -1 squared, that's a positive 1. And 1 squared is also positive 1. So there's no real solution. But if you take, let's see, if we take I and square it, well, I is defined as the square root of -1. And so if we square I, we would get, well, let's see, squaring undoes a square root, so that is equal to -1. So I squared is equal to -1. All right, so the big idea is that every time we see the square root of -1, we're going to replace it with I. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with simplifying these expressions. So here I have 2 minus the square root of 8, or -8. Well, -8 is -1 times 4 times 2. And then I can take the square root of -1, that's I. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 2 doesn't simplify any further. So that is done. We can write it that way. It's also correct to write it as 2 minus 2 root 2 times I. That is also correct. It's just sometimes a little bit hard to see where that square root ends, and so this is just a little bit easier to write. It doesn't matter. Both are correct. Okay, so our goal is to write these expressions in the form of a plus bi. So we want the real number part together with the imaginary part, and that makes a complex form. So that's a complex number form. Okay, with this, we can separate and divide each part of the numerator by 16. And then simplify that. Let's see, 10 and 16 both are even, so we'll divide those both by 2. And then we would get 3/16. That is the imaginary part. So there's our real part is 5/8, and the imaginary part is 3/16. All right, on this one, we're going to just take this, let's take 18/5 plus, let's see, we're going to divide the square root of -125 by 5, but -125 is -1 times 25 times 5. And so then that would simplify as, let's see, I replaces our square root of -1. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 5 doesn't simplify any further. And then anything divided by itself is 1, so my 5's can cancel, and I'm left with 18/5 plus I root 5. And again, you could have written that as square root of 5 times I. Both of those are great. And we're done.